In this video, we'll look at how we can copy data from one worksheet and paste it to the end of another, which is a very common scenario where we want to keep a record of the user's data input. Okay, so the first thing we want to do is go to Developer, and then let's record macro, and let's call it transpose data, and then hit OK. And as you can see here, we are recording our macro. Okay, so the first thing we'll do is copy the data we want to have pasted over. So we select that and hit Ctrl-C. Next, we go to the worksheet where we want to paste our data to. Select the top of the column where the first of the data is going to go to. And here's the tricky bit. We want to select relative references to record our keystrokes here. So we want to go to the bottom, Control down, which will select the last row that's currently in the list, and we want to hit down one more time. And now we're going to paste special. In this case, we can do a paste special transpose. Hit OK. As you can see, our data is pasted nicely in the last row, and no data was overwritten because of this. So we can go stop our recording now, and if everything was done correctly, if we were to run our macro, we will see that we'll have another record of this data at the bottom. So let's go ahead and do that. Let's run. As you can see now, we have two records for Bob's Hospital.